Oh, Cesaria Belligan, April, best again, moving a party out, so now is Dancing Rugs. One more Sweet Kiss comes next, Lola Kerry, Carmelo. We have Dancing Rugs moving up, Carmelo on the outside. One more Sweet Kiss is racing in third, Lola Kerry in fourth. And in fifth comes Petronas, and Elegant April is the early trailer. Dancing Rugs and Carmelo fighting it out for the lead. Watching him, there is one more Sweet Kiss racing in board, Lola Kerry, Elegant April, and Petronas trails the field. We have Carmelo, Dancing Rugs is down on the inside. One more Sweet Kiss remains in third, Lola Kerry in fourth, then followed by Elegant April and Petronas. Carmelo and Dancing Rugs matching their strides. One more Sweet Kiss in third, and in fourth, Lola Kerry, Petronas, and Elegant April. Dancing Rugs still in front, followed by Carmelo. One more Sweet Kiss, Lola Kerry, Petronas now joining on the outside pipa. Elegant April, Dancing Rugs moving up. One more Sweet Kiss on the outside, Lola Kerry in third, then followed by Elegant April. One more Sweet Kiss now takes the lead. Down on the inside is Dancing Rugs, Lola Kerry, Elegant April. One more Sweet Kiss moving up, Lola Kerry on the outside. One more Sweet Kiss followed by Lola Kerry, and finally it's one more Sweet Kiss, Lola Kerry, then comes Dancing Rugs, Elegant April, Petronas, and Carmelo.
Ano lalabas? 542A. Yun lang pala, 542 lang. Wala.